Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I'll be reading you a poem called The Wrestler and Buddha from the book 55 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. The Wrestler and Buddha. There's a wrestler inside me, constantly uneasy and restless like a strong current wanting to break through. There's a Buddha inside me, at peace, content and happy, constantly inhabiting in my mind and soul. The two constantly fight to break through with their schemes. Which one will win, the wrestler or the Buddha? Whichever one I feed. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And I believe that. I believe the wrestler, for me, I call that the ego. And Buddha is the soul for me. That's how I just interpret it. And I believe that when I don't keep my vibrations and I don't meditate, keep myself in check, that wrestler really wants to come out. I have to try hard not to let it. I believe this 100% of my being. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.